Hey, I'm Clint DeBoer with Pro Tool Reviews, and I want to tell you about a new product that came across our desk from Ridgid, and it's the 18-volt brushless 16-gauge straight finish nailer. First of all, the model number is the R09893. B will be the tool only, and K will be the kit with an 18-volt, 2-amp-hour lithium-ion battery. The thing to know is if you just have a bunch of Ridgid batteries lying around, like a lot of us do, you can pick up the tool for $269. If you do want the entire kit, you're going to add another $50 and it's going to be $319. You're going to get that 2-amp-hour compact battery. Now this tool is going to deliver what it claims is up to 1,700 nails per charge, which from the kind of trim jobs I've done and people that I know have done, that's pretty much all day runtime. They've also claimed to make this tool 15% lighter and 10% more compact than the R09892 that preceded it. Okay, so that's going to make it a little bit easier to use. Anytime you can reduce weight, that's awesome. We love to see that. This is going to be perfect for doing kind of on-site cabinetry assembly, doing any kind of baseboard trim, any kind of crown trim, all that sort of stuff is really good. 16 gauge is nice because it gives you a little more of a head, a little more holding power than like an 18 gauge brad. It maintains the tool-free jam release, which is nice. You've got the dry fire lockout, so when you run out of nails, it's not going to be shooting blanks and ruining your work pieces. So it will drive 1¼ inch to 2½ inch 16 gauge finish nails, and it'll do that in the hardwoods, and it claims to actually do the work 35% faster than the previous model as well. So that is actually something of note. I don't know too many people that are going to rapid fire these things, but you definitely don't want to be waiting for the tool to work. And so it's nice that they sped it up a little bit. You've got the same tool-free power adjustment, and it regulates the air pressure, so you can kind of dial this thing in for the type of wood you're dealing with. You do get that integrated LED light, so you're going to get some visibility if you're working in corners or areas where you just can't quite see as well. We do love the tips on these. It looks like you've got some really decent variability. And of course, you've got that lifetime service agreement, which is a pretty awesome characteristic of all Ridgid tools. We really, really dig that. So I think the last thing to talk about is if you've already got Ridgid's original brushless model, are you going to want to upgrade? That's a good question. I mean, looking at it, the pricing is very, very similar. I see like a $10 difference right now. I don't know that it's going to make sense to go ahead and want to upgrade. I think if you've already got the old model, you're in good shape. In fact, the old one actually has a wider range of nails. So if you are looking to do shorter 16 gauge nails, that older model is going to actually allow you to do that. So really, other than that, I don't see a lot of differences. We mentioned the belt clip movement. It's a little bit, the old model's a little bit slower, a little bit heavier. So again, if you're doing a lot of this work, or you just want to kind of ease up, or you're kind of ready for a new tool, go ahead, man, pick this new one up for your nails. So overall, that's what we've got for you today. We do appreciate you listening to us. Give us a like and subscribe if you like this video and you want more like it. And if you've got any questions about this nailer, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.